Ezra nitafutie 3-bedroom apartment hapo Nakuru town. Ndo hii hapa nyuma, okay? This is a 3-bedroom apartment and it is in town actually. You know, and especially for the Muslim community ambao niambia Ezra, nitafutie nyumba mahali kuna Wasomali wengi. Mahali pia kuna mosque, mahali kuna madrasa, si mbali. Bas, hii apartment it is just strategic. It is in town. Kuna Wasomali wanaishi hapa ndani wengi. So hata wewe ukikuja you will join your brothers and sisters and in that manner. But haimaanishi ni Wasomali pekee wako hapa. Hiyo tu nimeweka hiyo point for my Somali clients ambao niambia Ezra nataka mahali kuna Wasomali. This is an option. Now tuko wapi? Tuko hapa in town, tuko on Shadrach Kimalel Road. Okay? Shadrach Kimalel Road. Ideally we are in town. Wacha nikuonyeshe. Barabara iko tu hapa mbele. You see? The road is just there. Ideally, okay, now let me use a proper landmark. We are opposite Nakuru Day Secondary. That is Nakuru Day Secondary. Sawa sawa. So we are opposite Nakuru Day Secondary School. That's where we are. Opposite Nakuru Day Secondary School. And look what we have here. We have those wonderful apartments there. Okay? 3-bedroom only. Only 3-bedroom. Like the target here is folks who can go into 3-bedroom homes. How much are they renting? Let us talk as you look at me. Alright, so these 3-bedroom homes, they are going for 25,000 Kenya shillings. It is only master and suite. The other 2 bedrooms, they share a common toilet. So without saying much, wacha tuende ndani uangalie. So, but the things I love here, the location is thick. Imagine you are just by the roadside. You just pull in with your car, unaingia kwa nyumba. Unafika tu hapa, piga kona, ingia kwa nyumba. Kuna parking hapo ndani, boss. What else do you want for a 25,000 home, master and suite, 3-bedroom with internet is there. I've seen their internet folks ambao wameweka waya kuja kwa nyumba. So ukiingia, it's just a matter of you getting connected. What more would you ask for? Okay? And you are very close to town. You can even walk to town. Naongea mingi, wacha tuende tuangalie nyumba. Wacha tuende tuangalie nyumba. Aya, so that's the face of it. Nice. That's the face of our apartment. Looking good. The name is Nyakara Flats. Sawa sawa. Aya, then what do? You just continue like this. Tuende tuangalie nyumba moja pale juu, which is, not all of them are vacant, but they do have some vacant units. For those who go that direction, the beauty of it is that there's a way these guys have enhanced security hapa. Imagine there's a gate here that goes to that side. Okay? So going back like this, so I want to go to 4th floor. We have 1 unit there. So this is the way. Tupatane pale juu. Nice. Before we continue, let me just add something about this place. This place is quite clean. Okay? It is really indeed clean. Angalia tu jameni. Hata wametoka kuosha saa hii. Okay? Like every day looks like they do cleaning here. So hata we jameni ukikuja hapa, hata we maintain the standards. Sawa sawa. Tuangalie nyumba sasa. Very well folks, so let's go inside one of the units here at Nyakara Flats. Okay, just along Shadrach Kimalel Road, which is a tarmac road. I told you we are just beside a tarmac road. So that is the lounge here. This is the living room here. Okay, and so this serving area will lead to the kitchen. We'll check the kitchen just a bit later. So let me just show you the lounge, the space there. Okay, so that at least you know how you can organize this space. But for me, I suggest a 5-seater. A 5-seater for me will work perfect. A 5-seater, and of course on that corner, on that corridor, you can slot a dining table there. How do you like that plan? Let me know in the comments. 3-bedroom now. So this way, and I'm in the kitchen. This is the kitchen. Right, we are in the kitchen. It's a spacious kitchen. Okay, enough countertop space for food preparation, etc. There's just enough storage there. All right, enough storage and countertop space. 3-bedroom. I've told you the tiles, they're just easy on the eyes. And of course, there's the addition of a pantry here. Sawa sawa, there's addition of a pantry there. Then the beauty of it is that we have a balcony out here where you can always come and relax and just watch traffic. You know, if you are a people watching person, if you love watching traffic like me, you can always come here and watch traffic. That is the football arena, Nakuru. There is a football arena there. Sawa sawa, that is the football arena, and there's another construction going on there. I don't know what's coming up there, but I'll just wait to see. Anyway, we were on this, you know, on this balcony here. So that's the size of the balcony. Okay, 4 feet wide, 4 feet wide. Now let's check out the rest of the house. So through this corridor, and what we have on my right, we have what we call the common toilet. Somebody just rang a doorbell, so there's a doorbell again. Okay, kule nje. So this is the common toilet, which of course shares with the 2 of the bedrooms. It is only master and suite. Only the master bedroom they go ensuite hapa. The others, they share that common toilet. So inside one of the bedrooms, through this window, you see your neighbor pale. Again, you can see the road. You can see where we are. Very strategic location, okay, for these 3-bedroom homes. 3-bedroom apartments only. Can you imagine? Only 3-bedroom. Okay, so only 3 what? Only 3-bedroom. And those are your wardrobes for this particular bedroom. This way, and we find another bedroom again. The bedrooms are quite spacious, okay? Even 6x6 beds will fit in this bedroom. So the bedrooms, they are quite spacious. And for 25,000 Kenya shillings, a 3-bedroom in town, because literally we are in town, Jamani, okay? For a 3-bedroom, 25,000, and we are in town, surely this is a home that you can stay, ukiendelea kujipanga labda hata uende kwako. Ama mnasemaje jamani? See, eventually we are about to go to our own homes. Yes, okay? So just showing you the tiling there. The tiling is easy on the eyes. Like that is one thing I have loved, and it is uniform throughout the house. Okay, it is uniform throughout the house, not like this room ikona hii ingine tiles are purple. So this is the master bedroom. However, I find that okay, yeah, this is the master bedroom. It has more wardrobe space than the other 2. So this is the master bedroom. Again, a 6x6 bed will fit, no problem. And of course, that side is the toilet for the master bedroom. Toilet and bathroom, that side. But let's just stick here for a moment. The floor space again. Important I show you the floor space. So I'm telling you, a 6x6 bed will fit. From the master bedroom again, you have got, you know, views, you know, of the surrounding. Kule, una watch to traffic hapo, una relax. Like you are easy. Sawa sawa. Inside the master bedroom, away from the noises kule inje. Now tell me folks, 25,000 Kenya shillings, 3-bedroom, it's in town, very close to town. Wale uniambia Ezra, nitafutie nyumba na ikue karibu na tao. Si ndio hii hapa jameni. Tena, I mean, are we still searching? Are we still searching? Si ndio hii hapa. Ezra, nitafutie nyumba na ikue karibu na wapi? Na ikue karibu na town. Let me tell you something nikiwa hapa nje, because I like this space. So folks, especially for the Somali community, I mean, I realized inside this apartment, there are so many Somalis, so Muslims rather. So, okay, am I wrong or am I right? I mean, Wasomali unipigia wananiambia nataka nyumba mahali ambapo kuna Wasomali wengi na mahali ambapo pia kuna mosque. So this apartment here, it is one of that kind, okay? Nimekutana nao wengi sana. So if you are a Muslim and you're looking to stay at a place where there are many other Muslims, this apartment here at Nyakara Flats is an option for you. Sawa. And it is in town, because mnapenda kuniambia Ezra, ikue town, isikue mbali na town. Ndo hii hapa 3-bedroom. This is a family house. 3-bedroom, you can imagine. So let's continue. Tumalize kule nje. So I'm about to go outside kabisa entirely. And thank you. And out I am. And so that's the apartment generally. Huko juu. Maybe, I can also show you the other side. But that's the apartment. Okay. Yeah. Sawa. Haya, mpaka hapo folks, siniseme see you in the next one. You just, my number is on the screen. Just DM or WhatsApp and I will help you to come and settle at this place. Thank you so much and subscribe to Ezra Ondara TV. Manake when it comes to house hunting in Nakuru, Ezra Ondara is the way, the truth, and the only way. Thank you, very important. So before I go, let me mention one important thing, water, okay? So hapa at Nyakara Flats, they are using municipal water. Sawa sawa, yaani maji ya Kanjondo inakuja hapa, inakuja inaingia kwa tank. Wacha niwaonyeshe hiyo tank. So water inakuja inaingia kwa hiyo tank, mita watasomewa hapo, okay? So maji ikiingia pale, bas wewe kwa nyumba yako uko na maji 24/7. Sawa sawa. So the parking again, you know, there is a decent amount of parking hapa. So haya, si mpaka hapo jameni, tuseme ni hayo tu kwa sasa. Si nimemaliza hiyo kazi. Opposite Nakuru Day. Here you are in town bwana. Here you are in town. Alright? Folks, see you in the next one.